I always advise people to choose their mental health over their job. It's very important to understand when is it a time to leave your job. We all feel different kind of challenges in our daily workday life. Quitting your job is a significant moment. We all have personal and professional reasons through which we decide to no longer be there to serve an organization. Today I'm going to tell you some signs that are an indication that you are no longer meant to be with the company. So without any delays, let's get started. The first sign to look for, it's an unhealthy work environment. Either you are overworked most of the times or you are underutilized. When you feel that your skills are not utilized or you are undervalued, your motivation to work harder goes off. Similarly, if you have long work hours, you are overutilizing your skills, you have a burnout situation. These two are a clear sign that you should not continue working and drain your energy. It would sooner or later lead out to some health issues. The second thing, you're merely earning your salary and not working for your passion. This could be a moment where you need a career transition. Probably you had a circle of influence who convinced you to join certain courses or get certain degree, and eventually you got into a job. But it doesn't mean that you have to continue by killing your heart and not following your passion. No need to mention that when we are passionate about something, we are more productive. So if you're having continuous unproductive days and you don't feel passionate about your job, you must quit. Every organization has different work culture. If you feel that your values are not aligned with the company culture, it's a situation which will bring frustration every now and then. It makes people quit their jobs when they are not able to adapt to the company culture. It could be something you're not familiar with. In this case, give yourself some time. But if you feel that even after spending a month or so, you are not meant to be, then you must quit your job. I understand individual nature varies from person to person. But if you're having really difficult boss and you're not able to cope up with his or her daily behaviors, then you might decide to leave the organization. When I say leaving the organization, I don't mean you put your papers tomorrow, but prepare yourself to start applying for new jobs where you have a sense of belonging and you feel better and learn under your seniors or supervisors. If you get the feeling that I've been there, I've done that, I'm not growing, you feel stagnant, then it's time to find something that gives you professional development and growth opportunities. Lack of professional development leads to demotivation in employees. This is a common reason when many people feel like leaving their job and joining somewhere where they could contribute and grow their skills in a better way. A compromised work-life balance. This is the most common reason which makes you quit your job. If you're not having a proper balanced life where your family complains every now and then, they ask for more time from you, your annual leave is not enough to make you recharge. This is the time, this is a big sign to look for, that whether it's time to quit a job or continue or improve something. Ask yourself if you would recommend your best friend to work for your organization. If the answer is no, this is not the company where anybody could work happily. There are people who are not very comfortable to work with. It could be any reason, from company culture to a bad boss to a bullying employee. If you can't recommend it for others, there is no reason for you to continue with the same organization. Unstable organization. With COVID-19 pandemic, many of the organizations have lost a big chunk of revenue. If you feel that you don't see your future with this organization, or you don't see the future of the organization itself, it's high time you consider finding a new job for yourself. Because eventually these losses are going to impact an employee's life. It could be you. So before the water goes above your head, be prepared and start looking for a new job and quit this one eventually. When you see the competition, you don't find yourself evenly compensated or even given responsibilities to accomplish. This is a high time when you feel that there are considerably better opportunities outside. Then don't wait, go explore them. Don't let the hitch of updating a resume, reaching out to people, applying for jobs make you live a compromised life. You feel that the job you've joined is a temporary arrangement. After landing into your office, if you realize that this is not the kind of environment you were looking for, this is not long term, it's okay now and you need to move on, and that time has been over, then it's high time that you should look for another job and quit this one soonest possible. In this case, you can even plan carefully. You can identify how long you'll be able to sustain well with the organization and when it's the right time to move out. You're always attracted, and if you're always spending more time on the job boards than your work assignments, it's a big alarm that you should think about applying to those jobs. Because this is a clear indication that your work doesn't interest you anymore. And there are better job opportunities which might pay you way better than the current salary. Then why hesitate? It's time you should apply for these jobs. If for any reason your job is taking a toll on your mental or physical health, you should quit immediately. Nothing is bigger than health. Health, as they say, is the real wealth. If you are in a stable condition, you may find a better opportunity. But if your health, mental or physical, gets compromised, it will be even more difficult for you to find another job. It could be a toxic work environment. It could be a micromanagement style. It could be company culture. Whatever the reasons are, don't let them take a toll on your mental or physical health. If you're working long hours, if you're traveling too much, it's a very unhealthy thing for long-term health reasons. So do not dread going to work every day. Think about leaving your job. Another clue to pick up: whenever you are meeting your friends and you all are sitting and talking, you are moaning about your job. You're always saying, you're always complaining, you're always grumpy. Ask yourself, if you're that unhappy, why don't you plan moving out of this company? It should not be that a big step to quit your job in this case. In case freelancing opportunities attract you more and you don't like to work with people, you are more productive when you work alone on different assignments. Take it as a signal that it's time you start your own freelance business. If you are feeling these red flags occasionally, then it's high time you might consider applying for new jobs. Find yourself a suitable opportunity or think about going towards entrepreneurship. Whatever works well for you. But put a little happiness in whatever you do. The most important aspect to understand while quitting your job is knowing that you want to quit your job. That's what we have spoken about, the signals. And actually quitting your job are two different things. I would highly recommend you do not quit unless you have another opportunity lined up. Find yourself your purpose. Understand if you are adaptable to the work environment already. Try to make improvements. If the things go better, then there is no need to leave your job. If the things are not working out at all, don't let your health get compromised. Nobody knows you better than yourself. So gather these red flags and understand, are they actually the red flags or you need to work on yourself? But in case you need to quit, don't let the fear of quitting your job make you stop. Sometimes we are so concerned in entering an unknown territory, but that territory turns out to be way better than where we are existing. So plan your resignation properly. In case you decide to leave, I have made other videos on exit and offboarding process. I'll be leaving a link of those videos in the description. Do check them out. Let me know, when you feel overwhelmed in your current workplace, what are the things that you do to overcome those feelings? Because job search could be a prolonged process. We don't have a genie that brings us the job the very moment we want it. Job search takes time. But understanding that you are not ready to settle and work at a particular place is an important decision to make. Once you are ready with that decision, the job search eventually would work out. So do not resign before signing an actual employment contract with any other employer that understands you better and gives you better opportunities to work. I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments, what is your feedback of managing different situations? Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Stay tuned to Career Views. Do subscribe to my channel if you're watching these videos for the first time. Thanks for watching.